Alright everyone, in this video, ang pag-uusapan po natin ay ang VistaREIT Inc. or VREIT na IPO. So finally, Villar has decided to throw his hat and join the fray ng REIT or REIT market po natin, no? Inunahan na po niya si SM. Now, this video is going to be pretty short. In fact, I'm not even going to discuss all the details that are currently available because I've decided that we're better off na yung initial natin na quote-unquote IPO video ay mas maikli, just glossing over some of the key details. Tapos kapag lumabas na po yung final price at lumabas na po yung final video, doon po natin mas kaagatin, kumbaga, nanamnamin yung mga detalye when it comes to a particular IPO. That way, hindi rin po kayo naririndi sa akin, but you get some of the details that you need from the get-go to decide if this even remotely interests you. Kasi kung kunwari sa una pa lang mga detalye, hindi na po kayo interesado, then there's no need to delve into it further naman. Okay? Now, the offer price for VREIT will be up to 2.5 per share. Now, as we saw in the case of ASLAG, this just means na 2.5 yung pinakamahal na pwedeng ma-offer for yung VREIT na IPO shares. However, we do need to note that this is still subject to change, meaning hindi po nila kailangan sundan to mismo. Pwede nilang mas taasan pa at baguhin na lang along the way as long as they are able to announce it well beforehand. Okay? Ang supposed pricing date natin will be on May 25, 2022 at ang stock code po para dito will be VREIT or VREIT. Now, the offer period will be from May 30 to June 3, 2022. And then yung listing date po will be on June 15, 2022. Now, as we've seen happen for the past ilang REITs, minsan nagkakaroon tayong delay between kung kailan natatapos yung offer period and kailan nagsisimula yung listing date. 'Di ba? Parang sasabihin niya, kunyari to, June 3, tas June 15 yung listing date. Pero nadidelay ng mga 2, 3, 4 days. Ganon, no? So hopefully in this particular instance, hindi na po nangyari yon, or at the very least, na take into consideration na nila yung mga delays from before and dinagdag na nila yung time na yon sa pag-decide kung kailan nila ililista. Personally, hindi ko naman po alam yung bawat proseso at step na kailangan nilang gawin behind the scenes para mailista. But again, I'm hoping na they've taken all that into consideration and for this particular REIT ay hindi na po tayo magkaroon ng delay sa paglista natin. Now, the joint lead underwriters and book runners for this particular IPO are China Bank Capital Corporation, BDO Capital and Investment Corp., PNB Capital and Investment Corp., RCBC Capital Corp., SB Capital Investment Corp. Medyo marami yun, no? Naubos lahat ng letra. Okay? But there are 5 joint lead underwriters and book runners. Okay? And to be perfectly fair, I might have missed one dahil nga medyo mahaba yung listahan. Baka naduling ako, may na-miss ako isa along the way. And if I did, please let me know in the comment section below, no? Para maayos ko po siya for our next video. Tapos, meron din po tayong stabilizing agent. In this case, it's going to be China Bank Capital Corporation. Okay? So, kapag naghahanap kayo ng mga IPO na merong stabilizing agent, then this is good news para sa inyo. Kung deal breaker siya sakali, at least alam nyo na. Diba? Now, sabi nga po ni Ivan Glassenberg, it's nice to do an IPO where your investors get value straight away and the share price pops up. It proves you left something on the table for them. And I know, kaya ito yung pinili kong quote natin for today, na for some of yung mga Villar na stocks, it may have left a sour taste in the mouth of investors, no? Hindi na po natin iisa-isahin, baka may maungkat pa akong malalim na sugat, no? Hugot tayo, hugot, no? But in all seriousness, they may not have performed as well as we would want them to have performed. Now, yes, REITs are a different beast. And the type of people that it attracts typically are more long-term or mas investor type, no? Yes, meron pa rin mga short-term na mag-trades yan. Unavoidable naman yon. But for the most part, usually, It's the ones who want to park their money for longer periods of time in the hopes na may makuha silang mataas na dividends. 'Di ba? Na year after year or quarter after quarter, may nakukuha silang magandang dividendo na nakakatulong sa kanila sa paglaban sa inflation. Now, obviously, VREIT will be no different. But before we discuss yung dividend rate niya or yung yield niya, I wanted to wait and see kasi na mas malapit na para lang mas mag-firm up ba yung ibang detalye. Ayoko kasi na magbigay tayo ng percentages tapos next video babawiin ko rin lahat, sasabihin ko, hindi pala ganito, dapat pala ganyan. So I want the calculations to firm up lang and maging mas quote-unquote assured or guaranteed para at the very least kung meron mang changes na mangyari, ballpark na lang yung pinag-uusapan natin. Nothing major, hindi kailangan ng massive correction along the way on my part. Okay? So, interesado ba kayo sa REIT na to? Guys, if so, please let me know in the comment section below, no? Because I'm always curious to see what you guys think, what you guys want. Diba? So guys, dito po nagtatapos yung video natin. I hope na kahit na maikli po to, ay nakatulong to sa inyo kahit papano to determine na kapag angkop ba sa panlasa nyo itong REIT/IPO na to. Okay, and if so, then syempre may engganyo kayo to delve further, to study more, to see if this is worth it para sa inyo. Ngayon kung hindi naman, from yung mga small morsels na binigay natin, dyan di na kayo interesado, edi at least alam nyo na rin, di na kayo magsasayang ng oras and or pagod to learn more about yung VREIT. Okay? So guys, as always, maraming salamat po sa panonood. I really appreciate it. Good luck and happy trading!